Hey everyone, welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got a total of 14 deals, 11 from eBay OA, and then 3 coming from eBay RA. So let's check some of the samples that we got, starting off with Argos. In here, you can see this Lego 3-in-1 flatbed truck that you could buy for 18 pounds and sell it for 42.45. And another Lego deal, suitcase building bricks, buy for 18 pounds and sell it for 40.89. More than double its price, guys. Another Lego deal that you could buy for 9.99 and sell it for 35.88, almost triple or 4 times its price. And then lastly, this Lego Blue Monster truck that you could buy for 12.99 and sell for 26.96. There you go, guys. Check out the rest of the items that we got for you. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these options: review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. If you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot operated channel that we offer you, wherein you can monitor are the latest price drops and deals from these websites, is the price drop monitoring. So check this one out as well. Amazon to eBay flipping. If you're interested, feel free to check this channel out. You could easily see all the latest deals and prices from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay account. And lastly, our general community that you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That's all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.